Guess who's back in action? The unicorn family. The Golden family is back. Jonathan Golden and Stefy Golden. We are here. We're doing a condo project yet again. If you saw our balcony vlog.
A long time
ago. About 4 years ago.
Wow.
We did a balcony vlog. Oh, there's a hair on the camera. Hold on.
You're all darn.
Okay, I'm driving. But Stefy is taking over the vlog. We are on our way to Home Depot to pick up some more wooden fencing. We're gonna do an artificial plant wall, and it's my sister's
some stuff in the back.
Yeah,
you can see it. It's like that wood, like paneling wall thing.
Yeah, wood panel. It's like in the garden department. So we're gonna go pick up that. We need 4 more slabs of wood fencing to block out the neighbors. They're peeking in. So we need some privacy.
Not like we live there, but you know.
No one knows.
Anyway, no one knows. Okay.
Ian,
Our condo crew. Ian is the man.
Ian is helping.
He helps us with all of our home projects.
And he creates these crazy wood.
Oh yeah, you should check him out. And if you're interested in one, DM us.
Yeah, he creates a wooden glass wooden table. So we want to do that eventually, but we got to take care of business today. Get this condo ready. The wall is 4 by 8, so we're gonna go 8 feet high. The bamboo fencing we had before was 6 feet high, so a little bit different, a little bit higher. I think it's gonna block out more.
Which is better because the neighbors on the upper level, like we could still see, even when we had the bamboo, we could still see those neighbors a little bit. It wasn't that much, but we could still see them. So having the 8-1 is gonna be much better. So it should block everyone off.
Yeah.
Pretty much. And then we're gonna do like that fake kind of grass greenery on top of it. So like the holes are gonna be covered. So it's gonna be completely private. And it's gonna be really nice because it's actually a pretty big balcony. So you can have literally, we had like a dining table out there.
Yeah, you can
with 6 chairs. So
yeah,
you
there's
can
2 balconies too, one in the master, one in the main entry.
Yeah, they're both pretty large. So yeah, it's really nice if you have privacy. Oh, and then we're also hanging some lights. So that's gonna be really pretty. So I might want to move back in. I don't know, guys. It's gonna look really nice.
The wood.
He's kidding. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit.
Happy birthday, Jolie.
Happy birthday, Jolie.
Unicorn hat I got for you. Got the wood. 4 pieces. I should fill the balcony. All right, we're loaded up in the Raptor. 6 fences here we got. Ready to go. Let's hit it. All right, we're here in the condo. Back to the first condo we ever purchased. And here's the project here we're doing with Ian Murphy, sponsored.
What's up, guys?
So basically the problem is these neighbors. And so we originally had 6 feet. Now we're having 8 feet of fencing. So it covers really well, just enough clearance here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Just mocking up the design. And then we're gonna mount them on the railing here. And then we're gonna put artificial plant wall on top. So to give that real privacy look. And here's our camera woman.
So what are you guys doing right now? Removing that frame?
Yeah, we removed one
so
frame.
It fits.
And then we're just trimming the nails so they pop out.
Oh, okay. Ian helps us with all our home improvements.
We like to get it done.
right, so we're almost done with the green on this side. Working hard at it. It actually looks really pretty. Because look, on camera, you can still kind of see the holes.
Oh yeah, it does. It looks cool.
Right?
Yeah. I mean,
So we just have one more
row.
row of green, and then the rest we're gonna leave like that.
All right, it's Golden checking in here. We have a vlog update for the fence here. Check it out. So this is balcony number 1. It's coming from the main entrance here, leading to a little balcony hangout area where you can have dinner or snacks, whatever. But here is the wall that we finished. Artificial plant wall with the redwood from Home Depot. So looks pretty good, right guys? Comment down below what your thoughts are. Give us a thumbs up. And then also, we're working on number 2. Stefy's working really hard, huh? Putting them together. You gotta clip them together.
Yeah.
Then we got Ian working on round 2, baby. And so here's a master bedroom balcony, and we had to clip a little bit of the side, so to make some room for that edge.
Not bad, not bad.
But yeah, we ordered perfect amount. We have actually a little bit left over for maybe our house. Stefy?
House where?
I don't know. I always wanted a plant wall.
Oh, there's light in here.
Sure, John.
So here we got some lights that we're gonna hang now. We are hanging. Stefy's putting in the bulbs. She's getting screwed.
Maybe not the best
You
thing.
see what I have to do.
Okay. So anyways, yeah, that's just how it came out. So we're gonna put some lights up like this. It's gonna be nice. And then we're gonna do the other side too, same concept. We're done, people. We are done with this. Check out the work has been completed. There's the fence right there. We put the lights. I think there's something wrong with the plug outside. The lights do not work, but no one will know. Looks cool. And we have our today's sponsor, Amazon and KD Garden. Hampton Bay. Alright guys, it was another day. We ended the vlog. It was like 1,000 degrees that day, so we cut the vlog short there. But we wanted to appreciate you guys watching for this long, and give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the Golden channel, and we have some more videos coming up, real estate related, DIYs, family vlogs, you name it, we do it. So our budget was about $1,000 for this fence, and we just about hit it. It was $660 for the artificial fence, $20 for the dog food. No, but like $400 for the fence, and we had to buy some zip ties that were like heavy duty, so we used about 2 bags of zip ties. You don't need zip ties to for the artificial plant wall. It comes with zip ties. We did not know that.
And they're the color of the fake grass, so it's really convenient because you can't see them at all.
Yeah, you can't see them. Oh, we found a new mount here. Perfect. So yeah, that's the sum of it. Well, I mean, what did you guys think of the before and after? I thought it was pretty cool. Better than the bamboo this
much
time.
better.
I think bamboo was in at the time 4 years ago. So I think this is a new trend.
I saw it somewhere.
The plant wall?
No, the bamboo, and that's why we did that.
Yeah, we wanted to do something quick.
We just wanted privacy, which is exactly what...
And we didn't have blinds, I don't think.
We did.
We did?
Yeah, we did.
We had a little bit of blinds,
But
but...
we just wanted that privacy because, I mean, it does suck, like, the next building,
Yeah,
the
building's right there, but it's mostly bathroom, like windows. So like when people are going to the bathroom, they're not looking to the left, or they're probably in the shower, or like looking at the mirror. So it's not a big deal, but for other people, you know, it's just that feeling you get when someone's staring at you.
Yeah.
You're like, cringing. You know?
Especially if you want to go out there and like drink your coffee or whatever, and then you just like have like
Or phone,
windows right there. You know?
Phone conversations, cell phone call. I have to pet Mishka or else she cries. Watch.
All right, guys.
Wait. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Comment down below what you thought of the plant wall. We hope you liked it. Take care. See ya.
Bye.